Welcome to JH. I started trying Bearvana breast gummies because I was attracted to the idea of a delicious, berry-flavored shortcut to physical changes. It's a supplement packed with 9 herbal extracts and key vitamins, and what stood out immediately is how it feels more like a treat than a medical chore. Because apparently, the path to feminine wellness should taste like a candy store, the gummy form is smooth and the flavor actually keeps you consistent. The formulation is quite a list, featuring maca root, ginseng, fenugreek, and wild yam, all paired with vitamins A, C, E, and B6. It's all designed to support hormonal balance and tissue nourishment, which sounds much more professional than just calling them magic beans. It feels like a well-rounded blend rather than a random assortment of whatever was left in the herbalist's cupboard. Another thing to note is that users report subtle, noticeable improvements building over time. One review even claimed they saw real progress before finishing the bottle, which is great if you have the patience of a saint. After a few weeks of consistent use, I sensed a gentle firmness and a little extra confidence that felt natural. It isn't an overnight miracle, because science still exists, but the steady shift over a month or two is actually encouraging. Since the product is vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, it gives you that added self-care, peace of mind. Overall, Bearvana feels like a thoughtful addition to a wellness routine that's easy to take and gently supportive of curves and vitality. It's basically feminine health with a side of treat yourself. And honestly, we've all seen much weirder trends.